Hello, Mr. Josh here. In this video I'll give you a brief overview of the difference between mint and minted. Most people know mint as the herb used in cooking and other products like mouthwash and chewing gum. A mint is also the place where they produce money. But you may hear someone say something like, I bought a mint condition 1961 edition of Marvel's comic book. In this example, mint means that something is in perfect or as new condition. You may hear someone say that money has been freshly minted. This means that the money is new. But if someone tells you they are minted, then they are telling you that they are rich. Or someone may say, my friend makes loads of money working online, he's minted. Something you'll never hear of is a minted online English teacher. We are all as poor as a church mouse. Has been put on income support. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share.